Let's continue by doing a little bit more initial project setup. Inside of my src directory, I'm going to find that globals.css file. Inside of here, we're going to keep those 3 Tailwind imports at the top and then delete all the other CSS. Okay, I'm going to save that. Next up, I'm going to go to my page.tsx file. Once again, inside of here, we get a lot of default JSX that we just plain don't need. So I'm going to delete that image import at the top. I'm then going to remove all the JSX and replace it with a simple div that just says homepage. Now, if I save all those files and go back over to my browser, I'll see just plain homepage up here like so. Okay. Let's now start creating some of these different pages that we need. Right now, we're just going to focus on the create snippet page. I want to show this page to the user, which they'll use to create a new snippet. So we need to show them a form. And I want to show this page whenever a user goes to the URL snippets/new. So let's think about how we would implement a page with that route inside of our application. To create a page at this route, inside of our editor, we would find the src app directory. Inside there, we would make a new folder called snippets. Inside that, we would make another folder called new. And then finally, inside of the new directory, we will create our page.tsx file. Then inside this file, I'm going to create a new component and export it. And I think I'll call this one snippet create page. I'll then return a div. And for right now, we'll just have this say something like create a snippet. To make sure that this page works as expected, we should be able to open up our browser and then manually navigate to localhost 3000/snippets/new. And when I do so, I should see create a snippet. Okay, so now that we've got that being displayed, let's take a look at how we can create records, or forms really, that are going to make information or create records for us in just a moment.